Today, we're going to talk about simple filtering on the campaigns worksheet. As you can see, we've been working our strategic plan, and we have our brief created. In that brief, it calls out we want to do a paid promotions ad for awareness on a current research paper that we have. So we went and inserted the paid ads module. Now the paid ad module includes 3 streams, one for awareness, one for nurture, and one for lead gen. So seeing this was only an awareness program, we deleted the lines that were associated with nurture and lead gen. So that is how we made up our paid ads module here. So let's see how we're doing on our program. As you can see, we have some tasks that are complete, some that looks like they're late. Most have been assigned to team members and extended teams, and we have our dates intact. So let's go over here and talk about filtering. We want to check on status. There's a little help button for you. It's that little red dot right at the top. Those are notes that will tell you what the column's about and what you can do in the column. So seeing the checks and the bombs are symbols, you have to represent them in their ASCII format when you're filtering on them. So when you click on the drop down box, you're going to see U, M, false, and blank. So U equals the check, M equals the bomb, false is all okay, that's just the green blank square, blank is how you clear the filter. So let's see what's late. You choose the M and then you hit filter. There you can see all the tasks that are late. So all these tasks, the current date is past the stop date. So really that has blown up your project plan. Let's see all the ones that are complete. And there again you get all the checks. Sort of same filtering. If I want to clear it, I can either select the blank and click filter, or I can come up here and hit clear filters. This actually clears all the filter boxes. To filter on lead, you click the lead drop down box and you pick the person or team you want to filter on. Today I'm going to filter on Jenny. You can see Jenny has several tasks and working with several different teams. If we only want to see, for example, how we're working with the web team, we can filter on the extended team as well and only show those tasks. So this will show all the web activities, web team activities that they have. So create a web page for the lead gen and then push that web page live. Again, to clear the filters, you can clear them individually, but if you have multiples, you can just come up here and say clear filters. Well, that's it on simple filtering. Hope you enjoyed.